Welcome to you all in chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss the shapes of the molecules and ions on the basis of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. What is valence shell electron pair repulsion theory is clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, shape. मेन पॉइंट्स ऑफ वैलेंस शेल इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर रिपल्शन थ्योरी के जितने भी हैं सबको क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am.
तो एक बार फिर से नोट कीजिए. If it is AB2 type, means if there are two bond pair and zero lone pair, तो शेप क्या होगी? लीनियर.
Linear.
ठीक है. If AB3 type means three bond pair and zero lone pair, then triangular planar. नोटबुक पे लिख लीजिए बेटा. Then AB2L. AB2L means two bond pair and one lone pair. अगर टू बॉन्ड पेयर है और एक लोन पेयर है तो शेप मॉलिक्यूल की क्या होगी? बेंट, दैट इज वी शेप. AB4 means four bond pairs. Four bond pairs of electron and zero lone pair of electron. तो शेप ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल कौन सी होगी बेटा जी? Tetrahedral.
Tetrahedral.
Very good. If three bond pair and one lone pair, that is AB3L, then the shape of the molecule is
trigonal pyramidal.
Trigonal pyramidal.
Very good. If it is AB2L2 type, means two bond pair and two lone pair, then shape is bent.
Bent.
Then the molecules with five bond pair around the central atom, that is AB5 type, five bond pair and zero lone pair, then the shape is trigonal
bipyramidal.
Four bond pairs and one lone pair, AB4L type, then the shape of the molecule is
Seesaw.
seesaw. Next, AB3L2. Total pair of electrons कितने हैं? 5. Out of 5 electron pairs, 3 are bond pairs of electron and 2 lone pair of electron. Then the shape of the molecule is T-shaped.
T-shaped.
AB2L3, 2 bond pair
Here.
and 3 lone pair. Then the shape is linear.
Linear.
If 6 pairs of electrons and out of these 6 pair of electrons, all are bond pair and there is no lone pair, then the shape is octahedral. If 5 bond pair and 1 lone pair, that is AB5L type, then the shape is square pyramidal. अगर 4 bond pairs हैं और एक two lone pairs, if 4 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs of electron, that is AB4L2 type, then the shape of the molecule is
Square planar.
So these are the shapes of molecules according to valence shell electron repulsion theory. एक टेबल बनाइए बेटे अपनी नोटबुक पे जिससे आप ये लिखेंगे AB2 टाइप a bond pair and lone pair. Bond pair of electrons and lone pair of electrons. And the shape. If it is AB2 type, then bond pairs 2, lone pair 0, then the shape is linear.
Right.
Linear.
Shape is linear. AB
Linear.
type. Total pairs of electron कितने हैं इसमें? 3.
2.
Pairs of electron in AB3, 3. In AB3, bond pairs 3, lone pair 0. And the
Zero.
shape of the molecule is
Triangular.
Triangular.
Planar.
then
Triangular.
Trigonal planar. Yes, ma'am.
so if the type is AB2L means total pair of electrons 3, 2 bond pair and 1 lone pair. Then what is the shape of the molecule? Yes, Krish Kumar.
And V shape.
Bend. That is V shape. Now AB4 type. AB4 type means 4 bond pairs and 0 lone pair. Then the shape of the molecule. Ashmit Agarwal आप बताएंगे. Ashmit Agarwal.
Tetrahedral.
The shape of the molecule is tetrahedral. AB3L. 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair. Then the shape of the molecule or ion is, yes, Hiten.
Ma'am, trigonal pyramidal.
Very good. AB2L2. 2 lone pair and 2 bond pair. Then the shape of the molecule is Vaibhav Kalia.
Ma'am, bent shape,
Bent.
V shape.
Okay, good. Then AB5 type. 5 bond pair and 0 lone pair. Then the shape of the molecule. Suvir Dugal.
And trigonal bipyramidal.
Trigonal bipyramidal. Then AB4N. Total pair of electron 5, 4 bond pair and 1 lone pair. Yes, Prabnur Kaur Khurana.
Yes, ma'am.
Shape
Ma'am,
of
C4.
very good. Then AB3L2. Total pair of electron 5, 3 bond pair and 2 lone pair. The shape of the molecule. Ashmit Agarwal.
T-shaped.
T-shaped. Then next, AB2L3 means 2 bond pair and 3 lone pair. Shape of the molecule. Karavdeep.
Linear. Linear.
Linear. AB6. 6 bond pair and 0 lone pair. The shape of the molecule or ion is octahedral. AB5 5L, 5 bond pair and 1 lone pair. Shape of molecule and ion कौन सी होगी?
Square pyramidal.
Square pyramidal.
Okay, good.
Square pyramid.
Then AB 4L2, 4 and 2. The shape is
Square planar.
Square planar.
Square planar.
लर्न कर लीजिए बेटे स्लाइड को. On the basis of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, predict the shape of. First लिखिए BRF5. 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 First step to find out the shape on the basis of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory is total number of electron pair around central atom.
Left.
पहले हमें क्या कैलकुलेट करना होता है? टोटल नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर around central atom. Central atom यहाँ पे कौन सा? Br. It is equal to half of number of valence electrons, number of valence electron of central atom, that is Br, plus number of atoms linked to central atom by single bond. Now, number of valence electron of Br 7. Halogens है ना ये?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
7. And the number
Seven.
of atoms linked to it?
5. 5.
Is equal to 6.
6.
Total number of electron pair around central atom कितने हैं? 6. अब हमें देखना है इसमें से bond pair कितने हैं और lone pair कितने हैं, right? Now bond pair of electrons किसके इक्वल होते हैं बेटा यहाँ पे?
Number of linked atoms.
Number of bond pair is equal to number of
Side atom.
atoms linked to central atom. अब Br के साथ कितने एटम लिंक्ड हैं F के? 5.
5.
बॉन्ड पेयर्स कितने होंगे?
5.
5.
5.
थर्ड स्टेप हमें ये देखना है कि इसमें लोन पेयर्स कितने हैं. नंबर ऑफ पेयर इज इक्वल टू टोटल पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन 6 है,
Bond pair 2.
इसमें से 5 बॉन्ड पेयर है
Yes.
और 1 क्या हो जाएंगे फिर? लोन पेयर. अब ये कौन सी टाइप होगी?
AB5L.
AB5L. If it is AB5L, then the shape of
Square
BRF
pyramidal.
Square pyramid.
Square pyramidal.
Square pyramid.
इसमें से if it is AB5L, then the shape is
Square pyramid.
spherical. Shape is here pyramid. Clear beta? Any doubt in
Yes.
this?
Yes.
Any Any doubt in this slide?
No, ma'am.
Next, predict the shape of NH2 1 negative on the basis of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. NH2 1 negative. Now, first step, number of electron pairs.
Yes, ma'am.
Around central atom. Central atom means nitrogen. It is equal to half of number of valence electrons of nitrogen. साथ में हम क्या ऐड करते हैं? Number of atoms
Linked to central atom.
linked to central atom. Central atom means nitrogen by single bond.
Single bond.
ठीक है? अब वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन नाइट्रोजन के किसके इक्वल है? नाइट्रोजन एटॉमिक नंबर 7, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन 2 5. इट मींस वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितने हो जाएंगे?
5.
5. Now there is one negative charge on
On ऐड करेंगे.
there is one negative charge on NH2, तो हम इसमें क्या कर देंगे? +1.
1.
For negative ions, add number of electrons equal to units of negative charge on the ion to the valence electrons of central atom. So 5 + 1 plus number of atoms linked to central atom.
2.
2.
2. 2.
Now it is equal to
4. 8/2.
4. Total number of electron pair around central atom is equal to 4. अब यही डिसाइड करेगा कि शेप क्या होगी इस मॉलिक्यूल इसके. ठीक है. सेकेंड हमें क्या नोट करना है इसमें? बॉन्ड पेयर.
Bond pair.
तो बॉन्ड पेयर इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ एटम लिंक्ड टू इट. तो बॉन्ड पेयर्स कितने हो जाएंगे यहाँ पे?
2.
राइट. टोटल नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है हमारे पास 4 और बॉन्ड पेयर्स कितने हैं? 2. अब लोन पेयर्स भी बता दीजिए.
वही हो जाएंगे.
2.
2 हो जाएंगे. 4 - 2.
Ab2L2 टाइप हो.
4 - 3 is equal to 2. तो टाइप होगी हमारी यहाँ पे
AB.
Ab2L2. Now
L2.
Band
Band
shape.
shape.
Band shape.
Band shape.
yes, very good. Shape, band shape. Very good. Now, how to predict the shape of ion and molecule by valence shell electron pair repulsion theory is clear to you all or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next, write down the shape. Next, predict the shape of hydronium ion. Hydronium ion H3O1 positive.
1.
Predict the shape of hydronium ion on the basis of BSEPR theory, valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. हाँ जी, first step. कितेन आप बताएंगे first step?
Ma'am, total electron pair
Total number of electron pair
is equals to half of
central atom. यहाँ पे central atom कौन सा होगा? Oxygen atom is equal to half of
Ma'am, yes. Number of valence electrons of oxygen.
number of valence electron of central atom plus number of
linked
Linked atoms.
atoms to oxygen central atom by single bond.
to central atom by
Single bond.
valence electron of oxygen
Ma'am 6.
6. अब पॉजिटिव चार्ज है इसके ऊपर तो हम क्या करते हैं फॉर द
-1.
yes very good valence electron में से -1 plus number of atoms linked to central atom 3
3.
okay good जी यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा बेटा जी 5
Ma'am
plus
4.
equal to यहाँ पे 4 total number of electron pair around central atom is equal to 4 now number of bond pair is equal to number of atom linked to central atom तो number of bond pairs यहाँ पे
Ma'am
कितने हो
yes,
जाएंगे
3.
3.
H3O है ना ऑक्सीजन के साथ 3 हाइड्रोजन एटम लिंक्ड है this
Ma'am yes.
bond pair is equal to 3 if bond pair 3 then number of lone pair
1.
Ma'am
4 minus 3.
4 minus 3 is equals to 1.
is AB3L now shape of molecule
Diagonal pyramidal.
Pyramidal.
नोट कर लीजिए शेप ऑफ हाइड्रोनियम आयन next predict the shape of BeCl2 on the basis of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory अब हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चन 4.7 predict the shape of BeCl2 beryllium chloride on the basis of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory yes Vaibhav Kalia first step
And first step will be total number of electron pair around the central atom.
electron pair
There is
around
central atom here.
central atom is equal to
Yes, ma'am. A half of number of valence electrons on central atom plus number of atoms bonded with the central atom by single bond.
atoms linked to
Central atom with single bond.
central atom by single yes valence electron
It will be, ma'am, 2.
and the number of atom linked to it 2
2.
the total pair
Yes,
of
ma'am.
electron
2.
2 okay
Yes, ma'am.
bond pair
2 हो जाएंगे, ma'am.
very good 2 and lone pair
Zero lone pair. Zero lone pair.
type कौन सी होगी AP2
AB2, yes, ma'am. Linear shape.
very good Kalia linear shape of BeCl2 linear on the basis of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory Next, NCERT 4.7 B part. Trichloride, BCl3, on the basis of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Those who know how to predict the shape of the molecule on the basis of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, please raise your hand. Yes. Okay, Suvit Duggal,
Yes, ma'am.
first step.
And first of all, we will find the total number of electron pairs around the central atom.
Electron pair around central atom. Central atom,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
know, is
Good
half
on.
of number of
Valence electron.
valence electrons of
Central atom.
atom
Plus number of electrons bonded, having single bond with central atom.
linked to central atom
By single bond.
right. Anji beta.
Half into 5 plus 3, that is 4.
Beta, number of valence electron of boron.
Oh, sorry, 3 plus,
Boron atomic
Ma'am,
number
3
5.
plus.
ma'am, yes, ma'am, 2 comma 3, valence electron 3,
Yes.
and number of atom linked is 3, so 6 by 2, that is 3.
Total number of electron pair around central atom is equal to 3. अब number of bond pairs.
And bond pairs be 3, lone pair 0. So AB3 type.
Bond pair 3 and the number of lone pair
0.
AB3. Anji, shape
Triangular planar.
next is predict the shape of SiCl4 silicon tetrachloride on the basis of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Yes, Krish Kumar. First step, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Total number of electron pairs.
Electron pair around
Central atom silicon
central atom is
equals to half into number of valence electron of central atom plus number of atoms attached to the central atom.
number of
Atoms attached to the central atom.
linked to central atom by
Is equals
bond. Anji beta.
bond.
Valence
Is equals to half into 4
Okay, 4, right?
plus number of linked atoms is plus 4 is equals to 4.
Total number of
4 electron pairs.
around silicon is equal to 4, right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
And the number of बॉन्ड पेयर
मैम वो भी 4 हो जाएंगे
4 हो जाएंगे, वेरी गुड। और लोन पेयर
मैम वो 0 हो जाएंगे
0 है। तो शेप क्या होगी मॉलिक्यूल की?
मैम ये हो जाएगा मैम AB4
AB4
शेप हो जाएगी टेट्राहेड्रल
टेट्राहेड्रल, वेरी गुड कृष कुमार। Next, predict the shape of H2S on the basis of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. H2S. Yes. Supreet Kaur, roll number 48. बेटा first step बोलिए. Yes, Supreet, first step.
total number of electrons around the sulfur is equals to
Total number of electron pairs around
S sulfur is equals to
atom
atom
is equal
is
to
equals to half of number of valency electron of central atom
number of
plus number of atoms linked to central atom.
by single bond. Yes. Number of valence electron of sulfur.
6
6. Very good, bache. And number of atom linked to it.
2 and ma'am number of electron pairs आ जाएंगे 8 1 over half 8 over 4 so bond pair हमारे आ जाते हैं 2
Number of bond pairs.
bond pair is equals to 2
Very good. And the number of
lone 2
it is AB2L2 type. The shape of the molecule is
bent shape of the molecule is bent